$1,300 on the new Tesla mystery box. Guys, here we go. As you can see, it's actually a yellow theme. I think this is the Black Friday theme on Riddlebox K. Tesla mystery box is a new one, never opened before. If you guys want to get a free box, link in bio, okay? And comment down below your dream car. Mine has to be... Boys, this is what it's all about, man. We've been losing a bit. I must admit we've been losing today. However, it's the end of the night, 1 AM, we're pulling through. Like I was saying, free mystery box, link in bio. We even put a Lego set, come on! It's a $200 one, I don't give a fuck. Open the new Tesla box. Black Friday luck, baby, let's fucking get it.